Freebirds presents How to Draw Your Own Hand Turkey, featuring Jake. Difficulty hard. Here's what yours could look like when you're all done. Or make your own changes. Just be sure to have fun. Put your hand in a fist. Trace it like this. Close this part here so he has a tummy. Then give him a head so he doesn't look funny. Put some feather arms right here. And use your fingers to give him a rear. Hit pause if you need more time to draw. Add the face. Legs and waddle. Hit pause to catch up. Then add some color. You know you wanna. Press pause to color. Draw a pretty background and a handsome border. Hit pause to draw. Then sign it and date it. Now your turkey's in order. Freebirds, in theaters November 1st.